Hi everybody. Today I have the December Ipsy. Let's see what we got. I remember my my choice item. And maybe one or two other things. But so much time passes between the choice and the time it actually gets here that I don't know what to remember. But it's fine because then it's like a surprise. Okay. But I do have an add-on. Okay, I guess we'll do the add-on first, okay? So the add-on that I chose is from Nelson J, Beverly Hills. The two of these came together. One is the surf spray, but what I really wanted was this product, which is the moisture healing mask. And it says the Argan Oil 7 formula delivers a combination of multi-benefits. Detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, enhances natural body. My goodness, and it has coconut. So if it can do all of that, oh, it's sealed. But I can smell the coconut through the seal. It smells nice. And the spray, it smells good too. Not necessarily like coconut, but it smells really nice. It says no parabens, alcohol, or synthetic color. And it says plant extracts. Alright, so now on to the rest of the bag for December. This nice little fuzzy bag. I like the color, the burgundy and the pink. It's nice. And the card says home for the holidays. With the description of the products. That's always nice. Now the item that I chose was this Illamasqua Foundation. I've heard about this brand, but I've never tried their complexion products. I had I think a primer from them, but never a foundation or powder or anything like that. So I wanted to try it, and the color looked like it might be a match for me, so I chose this one. Let's see. I just put it on my hand. There it is on my hand. It blended in pretty well, so I think it might be a good match. Okay. And it's supposed to create a flawless complexion, lightweight, blendable, won't ever look thick or cakey on your skin. And it says the formula is even tested in HD environments to look like second skin. Okay, that's good. Alright. And then we have from Murad, Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. And it's supposed to remove makeup, purify skin, infused with antioxidant-rich vitamins A, C, and E that help protect against free radical damage and environmental aggressors. Alright, it's always nice to have more facial cleanser. And then we have from Mark Anthony, another hair product. This is called Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion. Humidity Shield. Define and lock in soft, frizz-free curls with silk protein and vitamin E. It has no sulfates, SLS, parabens, or phthalates. So my daughter would like this one, of course. She has natural hair, thick. And she likes curl defining products. This is a good size too, 1.69. For a sample, it's pretty decent. And then from Selah, This is the Cream Violet Soothing Hand and Body Butter with lavender and oatmeal. And it says, treat your body to intense moisture with the Skin Quenching Body Cream. Kupaku butter and Abyssinian oil soften skin and smooth roughness, while notes of soothing lavender linger on skin to relax and soothe your senses. And it says if you put it on before bed, the lavender scent will help you sleep. This also has a seal, but I'd like to try it anyway. I'm curious to see what it smells like and how it feels. It does smell like lavender. Put some in my hands. Okay, that's nice. It feels good. And the final thing is from Beauty For Real. This is a lip gloss plus shine, and the shade is Nudist. See if I can get this open. Okay. There we go. I don't smell anything. This is the shade right here. I don't expect much color. Very light, slightly pink. It's mostly sheer though. Alright. So in the December Ipsy, I got the add-ons from Nelson J. Beverly Hills for hair. And then also for hair, I got the Strictly Curls Defining Lotion from Anthony. I got the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. The Chela Cream Violet Hand and Body Cream. The Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation, which I am excited to try out on my face. And the Beauty For Real Lip Gloss. Nice fuzzy little bag. So that's everything that I got in the December Ipsy. Thank you for watching. Bye.